How to activate Windows 10. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to activate Windows 10. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So what we need to click on is we need to click on the search icon right here on the taskbar. And then once you have done that, just search for activation settings. So here it is right here. Just click on open right here. And then you should be able to see a window from settings with the activation right here. So in here you can see a lot of things related to your activation. So if your Windows 10 is not yet activated, you will see an actual activate Windows right around this corner right here. So in here, as you can see, mine is already activated with a digital license linked to my Microsoft account. So if you want to change that, what you need to do is you need to click on this change product key right here. So if you click on that, and it will actually open a window, and your product key should be available in an email from whoever sold or distributed Windows to you, or on the box a Windows DVD or USB came in. So it should already be acceptable at this rate, and it will be available to you at this locations that this window has sent you. So just put in here the product key, click on next, and it will activate itself. So you can also find your product key by clicking on this get more info about activation. So you can search for help on the web if you're having trouble with that. But all in all, it's on the box or in the email. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to activate Windows 10. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them.